Hello guys, welcome to Auntie Mira's Corner. Today I'll be sharing with you tips on how to make a fruit garden. To make a fruit garden, the first thing we need is a plantain stalk and a bucket. You need a plantain stalk that can fit well in a bucket. But if the plantain stalk cannot fit well in a bucket, you fill it with sand. Either you fill it with sand or you fill it with gravel. Let's get started. We need some green leaves to put it here to make it really look like a tree. So I'll be using some peace plants. I have some peace plants here and some leaves from Indian bamboo. These leaves are from Indian bamboo. Okay guys, this is the first step of our fruit garden. We have finished planting the peace plants and the Indian bamboo leaves on the plantain stalk. Look at it, it's already looking beautiful. It's already looking beautiful. The next step now is to plant the fruit on that plantain stalk. We need a table that we are going to display our fruit on it. So we have to put these things on the table to support the fruit from falling down. And these are the various fruits. This is a basin of a mixture of fruits. These are the various fruits that we are going to be planting on this beautiful tree. We are going to be using this toothpick to pin the fruit on this tree like this. Bring the apple. Put here. Okay guys, this is the end product of our fruit garden. On the same tree we have bananas, we have carrots, we have garden eggs, we have apples, we have oranges, we have tomatoes, we have tangerines, we have cucumber. We have a collection of fruits on this our fruit garden. You can do this at home when you have an occasion, or in the church when you are doing fundraising. You just produce a fruit garden like this and your guests will be entertained. Thank you guys for watching.